So good afternoon, guys. Tonight I'm having dinner. I'm gonna cook 4 eggs with some beef patties that I've made myself. So take 4 eggs and then whisk them like this, nice and easy. Everything. Whisk, whisk, whisk. You know. Whisk it all the way. So it looks like this. And then the beef patties are put the frying pan without the oil. I didn't put any oil. And I'm just gonna flip them over. Amke's kitchen, that's done on a low heat, by the way. And in the other frying pan, I'll put that much oil, and then just let it heat it up. And then these beef patties have to be flipped over again, like that, nice and easy. Amke's style. Amke's kitchen. And then I've salted the eggs, and just pour the eggs in, 4 eggs, and then I cook slightly, and then so let the eggs cook, and then medium heat, like that's the way, And then so when the eggs are cooked, look like this, time to empty it into the plate, like that, like so. And so, and then so we're just waiting for the beef patties to be cooked. And then so when the beef patties are cooked, just take one, put it here, and then so the other one, put it here as well. And then I'm gonna put some secret burger sauce on there. Yeah, so like this, secret burger sauce, put on there. That's it on here. And that's the way. And then so we're gonna put some cheese on there. And then you grab this, I don't know what you call. And then you just flip that over like that. Like so. And that's it. Amke's kitchen. Amke's dinner tonight. Yummy. Amke's style. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.